Oh, she asks about a general problem that women face. The hadith is crystal clear. The Prophet said, whoever fasts Ramadan, meaning the full 30 days, then follows that with 6 days of Shawwal, then this is as if he has fasted the whole entire year. Women say, okay, we fasted 23 days of Shawwal, of Ramadan, and we have 7 days to make up. Can we delay these 7 days 3-4 months later, but fast the 6 days of Shawwal on time? The answer is no. And it's an issue of dispute. But I'm inclined to the opinion that says that the hadith clearly states fasting of Ramadan. You fasted 27 days, you did not fast the whole Ramadan. You have to finish fasting the full Ramadan, whether 29 or 30 days, then fast your 6 days